15 years I've been in the auto industry covering major brands and off-road products, and I've seen all kinds of LED lighting out there, and some of it is just pretty bad. I wouldn't even want it shipped to my mailbox.
Oh, that's terrible.
When NovSight came out here with their new Halo series, I was like, I've got to check this out. And they sent me over a set of lights and they said, hey, check it out and give your honest review. So let's unbox this. Let's be an unboxing video. Let's check out the quality of these things because I think they are very high quality. And will they make the grade to be on our new 2024 Ford Bronco Raptor? I think so. So let's get into this right now. All right, so these are the 4.5-inch pod lights, and I wanted something kind of different when I was going to run these lights. What brought me to them was because they're just the interesting style. They're not the same old looking style, and though I do think the quality is super high, I was really drawn to them because they just look completely different. I like that they got kind of a daytime running light in these things, so that was kind of interesting to me. And with a Bronco Raptor, you don't want anything boring, right? Nobody wants the boring stuff out there. So, get all this out of the way. Good packaging too, man. That's another thing you see with a lot of these light companies. It's just, you can tell right from the get-go they're garbage because the boxing of it's just awful. And this is very, very premier looking. Now, all kinds of diagrams here. It's very cool that they give you the beam pattern in. Look at this. They're giving you all the details in this right in the boxing, and it's, like I said, very nice. Of course, looks like we're gonna get some kind of stickers here. Let's see what we got here. So, I mean, you gotta have stickers, right? Stickers make everything better. Adventure's coming. I mean, it's kind of cool that they send all this stuff out. I don't think I would use any of it, really. Maybe I'll throw something on the tailgate or something. Oh, man. These look very, very cool. Check this out. This is just from the box. Once again, you get the lights here, but look, once again, you get all the diagrams, and I'll show you a close-up of all of this. You get just a breakdown of all the parts, which is nice. I mean, this is expensive. For lighting companies to want to do this, this is very expensive, but we're not here for a box, right? We're here for the unboxing. So, let's see what we got here. First off, we got our covers, and of course, you know, you got the old ASMR stuff we got to do. So a lot of states require that you run coverage. You can only have 4 active lights. I know Tennessee, where I'm at, is one of those states, but they don't really enforce it. But you're supposed to cover your lights up, so that's kind of nice branding on there as well. You can see. I might put a sticker of some sort on that. Might put an alternate nation sticker on that. But we get 2 of those because we got 2 lights here. So. The look of new lights is so much fun, so much fun. Let's see if we can get these bad boys out of here. Because the packaging, I will say too, the packaging is you know a company cares when they actually do decent packaging. And I've done enough boxings of things where you see that they just don't care. A lot of these companies don't. But now, these are heavy. I will say from the get-go, these are nice and just nice and heavy lights. So you know it's good casing. Hopefully it's nice and good and sealed around there. But look at this. Let's pull this off. Wow. Once again, I like that you're getting the ambers as well. If you see that right there, you can see all the amber. You can pop these covers off if you want to run them without the ambers, which is real easy, nice to do. And look at the pattern there. You can tell I've got the fog pattern. It's where it's going to scatter light really well. Once again, I can't say enough for the quality of these things. And I'm not just saying this to like do the salesman BS of this. This is these are nice. These are very nice. Now look at the connectors there. Very nice. You can tell that's a nice weatherproof connector. Very well thought out. It's not something that the wires are just sticking out where you've got to just do it all yourself. Definitely, you can tell that they thought, hey, you know, we want to make this easy. We want, a lot of times too with lighting, this is where you get a lot of water corrosion in there, and your brand new lights that you're so excited about, got for Christmas, suddenly they don't work. And so that's a sign of a good quality light there. So there's one light there. Here's our next light. Once again, nice cable, and even look in the backing of it. Look how well it's sealed up in the backing there. That is very, very nice. You know, it's all finned out so you can get rid of all the heat in the light, so you don't just mess up your light. But look at this. Look at this. Oh, that's awesome. That is very awesome. And once again, look at the clips themselves. You can see that. Look, these are nice clips, and they just pop right off. and see it like that. It looks really good. So far I'm very impressed with these lights, and more impressed than I thought I was going to be. And once again, I'm not just saying this. I have no reason. I'm not putting up a sales code or anything on this. I'm just giving an honest review of this light company. And so far, these things, just the unboxing here, these are top notch. Now, in the box, you can see itself. Once again, there's parts here. There is stuff to wire this thing up. So let's see what we got here. Oh wow, this is very, very nice. So you can't see it really up close, but this way. Look at all the zip ties, man. They thought of everything. Definitely, because these are like a daylight running lights, that you get you a little pack here, and this pack's it's not something you're gonna bypass. You're gonna need to install this because it does help run all the stuff there. But the quality of once again, look at the connectors. You can see all of the way it seals, so you don't have to worry about water getting into that. Where you just run it right to your battery if you want to. I'm lucky in the Bronco that we have a fuse box that I can run right this to. Of course, it looks like you got your main powers, and then probably these yellows, and I'm just guessing right now, probably for your daytime running lights of this thing. But even this stuff here, look at this, where it plugs together. This is top quality stuff, man. So you can screw it all together there. It's sealed, very nicely done there. And of course, this is a big jumbo spaghetti mess right now, but you're getting, it all goes into the controller here. You can see your two plugs that go out to your lights. Very, very nice quality. Wouldn't be a light without, you get mounts. So this is nice. So I'm lucky with the Ford Bronco. You've got accessory ready points. So you can bolt these to any Bronco has this. And here's the bracket for that. You can see right there. Nice and powder coated very nicely. That's another thing I've seen with cheap lights is powder coating is generally just garbage. And you can see we've got a couple mounting spots here. You can see it's got two holes there, so you can tilt this up and down. You've got your main anchor point, and then you'll be able to adjust them like this. I'm gonna run these, I think, up on the next to the window. And I'd like to run a light bar, I think, down at the bottom. So we'll see about a light bar in future. But part of the Raptor is, the appeal of these to me too, of the Raptor is the amber. Because the Raptor runs amber lights. And I think it would be fun to run amber up on the top. And of course, it has a running light. And I'll put some video clips up there. And we're going to do an install video down the road as well. But I'll put some clips. They do have these nice amber lights that run around it. And that was part of the appeal to me too, was, and as silly as that sounds it's going to match the Bronco Raptor. And I think that's going to be excellent in there. But let's see what else we got here. Got another bracket right there. We'll leave that one in the packaging. But once again, super quality on that. Now you're going to get all your bolts, and I don't want to open this up just yet, but you get a couple wrenches there. You're getting all the fasteners for that. Anything you're going to need, you've definitely got that there. So that is very nice to take care of. And once again, zip ties everywhere, because for one, I have zip ties like crazy because I'm always doing stuff in my garage, but you can never have enough zip ties. And that's another sign of, when a company went cheap, they don't put any of this stuff in there. And it looks like a nice mounting bracket too for the controller. So that'll be kind of cool. And we'll check that out when we do the install video. And Kelly's going to help me with the install video because I'm a knucklehead with some of this stuff. But overall, here's what we got. And once again, I want to show the boxing because this is a sign of quality. I said it when I opened up the diabolical stuff that we installed in our Bronco. If they don't care about their packaging, they don't care about their product. And this is a very nice box. I mean, this is like a collector's box. I don't know what to say, but it's a 4.5-inch pod light on this. You can see the glow around this, and you're going to see it when we put it on our Ford Bronco. But it's the Halo series, and they have all kinds of light. I'm going to pull up their website. Once again, I'm not doing any codes on this stuff. Go right to their website and purchase it. You guys watch my videos, and that's where I make a couple dollars there. And I'd rather NovSight get all their money. But if you buy these things, be sure to put in the comments below, and definitely hashtag NovSight, NovSight, if you like these things, and let them know that you saw them on the channel and that you're interested in when we put these in our Ford Bronco. But once again, check these lights out. These are super nice. You can run them with or without the amber covers. They still have the running lights that go around them, and I think they're gonna meet the needs of the Ford Bronco Raptor very nicely. So in the comments below, Let me know what you think of these lights. I think these are, so far from what I've seen, top-notch quality. I'm gonna say 10 out of 10 right now for quality that I've seen so far. Once we install them, will they live up to my expectations? I hope so, because I want some nice lights, and I really get tired. Honestly, I do get tired of, at the end of the day, you spend thousands of dollars on lights, and you get maybe tens of dollars worth of actual use out of them because they just don't work, they don't last, and these seem to be very nice quality. So, you know what to do. Leave us a comment. So whether it be two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, or these badass NovSight lights that I can't wait to put on the Bronco. You know Kelly's going to love this. It's been your All-Terrain Nation. This has been our review unboxing of the NovSight lights, and we are out. Peace, everybody. Love y'all.